Did you know that an enormous hidden structure lies beneath the icy surface of Canada's Hudson Bay? Beneath this vast, frozen wilderness, where the land meets the Arctic chill, there is a secret so immense that it has puzzled scientists for decades. The bay, often shrouded in mist and snow, conceals more than just water and ice. It hides a colossal geological enigma, waiting to be uncovered by those daring enough to look beneath the surface. Thousands of miles away, in the heart of Yellowstone National Park, a supervolcano slumbers, its fiery breath held in check for millennia. Yellowstone is famous for its geysers and hot springs, but beneath its picturesque surface lies a vast reservoir of molten rock. This supervolcano is one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth, capable of eruptions that could change the course of history. For now, it sleeps, but its presence is a constant reminder of the dynamic forces shaping our planet. These two seemingly distant giants are linked by forces deep within our planet, their fates intertwined in ways we are only beginning to understand. The Earth's crust is a patchwork of shifting plates and hidden scars, and the story of Hudson Bay and Yellowstone is a tale of ancient cataclysms and ongoing geological drama. Scientists are now uncovering evidence that suggests these regions, though separated by thousands of miles, may share a common history written in the language of rocks and magma. Join us as we journey into the Earth's fiery heart, exploring the mysteries beneath Hudson Bay and their potential impact on the Yellowstone supervolcano. We'll travel through time and space, from the frozen tundra of Canada to the simmering depths of Yellowstone, to reveal how ancient impacts and volcanic forces continue to shape the world we live in. What secrets lie buried beneath the ice? And how might they influence the restless power beneath Yellowstone? The story begins with a puzzle. Scientists studying the geology of Hudson Bay discovered something astonishing. Evidence of an ancient impact so large it dwarfed even the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. This impact, hidden for eons beneath layers of ice and sediment, left behind clues in the rocks and the very shape of the land. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, raising new questions about Earth's violent past and the forces that have shaped its surface. This cataclysmic event, they believe, left behind a scar on the Earth's crust, a massive buried structure that continues to influence the region's geology even today. The impact's legacy can be traced in subtle shifts in the land, unusual rock formations, and even the way the Earth's crust moves in this region. As we peel back the layers of ice and time, we begin to see how the echoes of this ancient disaster still resonate, connecting the frozen mystery of Hudson Bay to the sleeping giant of Yellowstone, and perhaps to the future of our planet itself. Imagine for a moment a colossal asteroid, miles wide, hurtling through the cold void of space. It races toward Earth at unimaginable speeds, a cosmic bullet destined for our planet. In a single, catastrophic instant, it slams into the surface with a force greater than the detonation of every nuclear weapon ever created, combined. The world shakes, the sky ignites, the very fabric of the planet is changed forever. The impact gouges out a crater hundreds of miles across, vaporizing solid rock in a blinding flash and sending a shockwave rippling through the planet. Mountains crumble, forests are incinerated, a towering cloud of dust and debris rises, blocking out the sun and plunging the world into darkness. The energy released is so immense, it reshapes the landscape for thousands of miles in every direction. This apocalyptic scene is not just science fiction. It's what scientists believe happened millions of years ago in the region we now call Hudson Bay. Over eons, the scars of this ancient impact have been softened by time, but the story remains written in the rocks beneath our feet. Today, the massive crater lies hidden, buried beneath thick layers of sediment and ice. From above, it's a frozen expanse, silent and still, but below, the land remembers. The crater is a silent testament to the destructive power of the cosmos, a reminder that our planet's history is shaped by forces far beyond our control. But the impact did more than just leave a scar on the surface. It changed the very structure of the Earth's crust in this region, creating fractures and weaknesses that would last for millions of years. Deep beneath the ground, the force of the collision pushed the planet's molten heart closer to the surface. This created a zone of weakness, a place where magma could rise more easily, and where the Earth's inner heat could escape. Geologists call this a hotspot, a region of intense geological activity. Here, the Earth's fiery breath escapes in the form of steam vents, hot springs, and even volcanic eruptions. The consequences can be unpredictable and dramatic, shaping the land above and reminding us that, beneath the ice, the planet is still very much alive. Half a continent away, beneath the serene beauty of Yellowstone National Park, lies a different kind of giant, a supervolcano. Unlike traditional volcanoes, with their cone-shaped mountains and fiery eruptions, supervolcanoes are massive, hidden reservoirs of molten rock, capable of eruptions thousands of times more powerful than anything humanity has ever witnessed. Yellowstone is one of the most closely watched supervolcanoes on Earth. Scientists monitor its every tremor, every change in gas emissions, every subtle shift in the ground, searching for clues to its fiery slumber. They know that beneath the park's geysers and hot springs lies a sleeping giant, a force of nature capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction. What connects the ancient impact crater beneath Hudson Bay to the slumbering supervolcano in Yellowstone? The answer lies in the Earth's restless mantle, the layer of hot molten rock that lies beneath the Earth's crust. Just as currents in the ocean can influence weather patterns across vast distances, so too can movements in the mantle transmit forces over thousands of miles. Some scientists believe that the hotspot beneath Hudson Bay, created by the ancient impact, may be influencing the activity of the Yellowstone supervolcano. The exact nature of this connection remains a subject of intense research, but the possibility that these two distant giants are linked is a sobering reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. The eruption of a supervolcano is an event of almost unimaginable scale. Imagine, just for a moment, a blast so powerful it could obliterate entire cities in an instant, burying vast swathes of land under molten rock and ash. The ash cloud would blot out the sun, plunging the planet into a volcanic winter that could last for years. Crops would fail, temperatures would plummet, and the delicate balance of life on Earth would be thrown into chaos. While a supervolcano eruption is a rare event, happening on geological timescales, the potential consequences are so great that scientists around the world are working tirelessly to understand these sleeping giants and the forces that drive their fiery outbursts. Monitoring the Earth for signs of volcanic unrest is, honestly, a complex and challenging task. Scientists use a variety of tools and techniques, from sensitive seismometers that detect even the slightest tremors to GPS stations that measure minute movements in the Earth's crust. They also analyze gas emissions from volcanoes, looking for changes in composition that could signal an impending eruption. In Yellowstone and Hudson Bay, scientists are on high alert, keeping a watchful eye on these slumbering giants. They know that the Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing planet, and that even the most powerful forces of nature can be understood, and, hopefully, one day, even predicted. Imagine a world shrouded in volcanic ash, the sun a distant memory. Temperatures plummet, crops wither and die, and the delicate web of life begins to unravel. This is the potential aftermath of a supervolcano eruption, a stark reminder of the awesome power of nature and the fragility of our own existence. While such a scenario may seem like the stuff of science fiction, it is a very real possibility, one that scientists are working hard to understand and prepare for. The more we learn about the inner workings of our planet, the better equipped we will be to face the challenges posed by these sleeping giants. The study of volcanoes and earthquakes is not just about understanding these destructive forces, it's about understanding our planet as a whole. The Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing system, and volcanoes are a powerful reminder of the immense forces at work beneath our feet. By studying volcanoes, we gain insights into the formation of our planet, the composition of its interior, and the processes that drive its evolution. Each eruption, each earthquake, is a piece of the puzzle, helping us to unlock the secrets of our planet's past and prepare for its future. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of scientific discovery, we are called to reflect on the extraordinary planet we inhabit, a world that is as breathtakingly beautiful as it is unpredictable and at times dangerous. Our Earth is a tapestry of wonders, from the dense emerald forests teeming with life to the towering mountains that have stood for millennia, silently witnessing the passage of time. Yet, beneath this surface of beauty lies a planet shaped by forces both creative and destructive, forces that have sculpted continents, carved coastlines, and given rise to the landscapes we cherish today. The ancient impact beneath Hudson Bay, a remnant of a colossal collision from eons past, serves as a stark reminder of the cosmic events that have left their mark on our world. Meanwhile, the slumbering supervolcano beneath Yellowstone National Park is a testament to the immense power still simmering beneath our feet, a force capable of reshaping entire regions in a matter of moments. These are just two examples among countless others: volcanic eruptions, meteorite impacts, and the slow but relentless movement of tectonic plates, all of which have played a role in shaping the face of our planet and continue to influence the course of life on Earth. Even today, these powerful natural processes are at work, reminding us that our planet is alive, dynamic, and ever-changing. By embracing the spirit of scientific inquiry, we empower ourselves to unravel the mysteries of these forces. Scientists and researchers venture into the field, collecting data, analyzing samples, and developing new technologies to better understand the Earth's inner workings. Through collaboration and the sharing of knowledge, we can deepen our understanding of the planet's past, present, and future, and work together to find solutions to the challenges we face. With this knowledge, we can hope to mitigate the risks posed by natural hazards. By reinforcing our cities, preparing for emergencies, and planning wisely for the future. In doing so, we not only protect ourselves and our communities, but also ensure a brighter, safer, and more sustainable future for generations yet to come, allowing them to thrive in harmony with the ever-changing world around them. For in the words of the ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus, whose wisdom echoes through the ages, the only constant is change. This simple truth reminds us that adaptation and understanding are key to our survival and prosperity, and it is through embracing and understanding change, by studying the forces that shape our world and learning to live in balance with them, that we can hope not just to survive, but to truly thrive on this dynamic and ever-evolving planet we call home.